1962 Chevrolet C24 Speed. Price: $15,750. Location: Indiana. Introducing this 1962 Chevrolet C24 Speed, a true representation of American truck heritage from the early 1960s. Finished in a deep blue exterior with a matching interior, this pickup reflects a time when vehicles were built with purpose, durability, and straightforward design. Its rugged appearance and honest character make it a standout for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate classic utility vehicles. Under the hood, this C20 is equipped with a dependable inline-six engine, paired with a Rochester carburetor and a 4-speed manual transmission. This setup delivers a raw and engaging driving experience, giving you full control and a true connection to the mechanics of the truck. It's a powertrain known for its simplicity and reliability, making it an appealing option for those who enjoy hands-on ownership. On the exterior, the truck showcases several classic features that enhance both its functionality and vintage appeal. Chrome accents, a chrome front bumper, and a heavy-duty diamond plate rear bumper give it a bold and practical look. The white-painted steel wheels provide a clean contrast to the dark blue body, while the wooden bed floor adds a touch of authenticity and old-school charm that is increasingly rare to find today. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that stays true to its utilitarian roots. The interior is simple yet functional, featuring a bench seat, manual windows, vent windows, dual side mirrors, and a classic 2-spoke steering wheel. Every element is designed with purpose, offering a comfortable and straightforward driving environment without unnecessary complexity. The 1962 model year is part of Chevrolet's first-generation CK series, a milestone in truck design that introduced improved ride quality and more modern styling compared to its predecessors. This evolution made trucks like the C20 more versatile, suitable not only for work but also for everyday driving. This particular example is running and drivable, though it will require some work to be fully road-ready. Priced accordingly, it presents a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a classic American pickup at an accessible price point. Whether you're planning a full restoration or simply want a vintage truck with character, this Chevrolet C20 offers both potential and timeless appeal.